Yeah. Oh, y'all so close.
Can I raise it?
Yeah. Step the ball.
Tell him don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Don't touch Mike. Alright, it's called Snowden.
Oh, see, I told you don't touch the mic.
Alright, so I love test. I know what I might do. Hey, what's up? Alright, Snowden. I've gone through life always complaining and always explaining why I did what I did when I did it. I need to be a responsible person or I would just worsen my messed up sense of existence. In reality and in all actuality, life is as good as you make it. And if you take the time and realize and embrace the fact that your complacent acts can have the same impact as a psycho and a Jason mask. Mutilate the mind with an idea like inception. And from my conception, I had aggression. Questioned authority and shunned all suggestions. Hit below the belt, used my tongue as a weapon. Done things that I'm ashamed of and regret. Talking on my butt like I'm ace to detect. And I'm upset with the way that I'd object to showing respect to those who deserve it. But I'm not perfect and never will be. But eventually one of few things will be my destiny. I could run through life like Job, but God testing me. Or let random stuff keep stressing me. Or I could treat each day as a blessing and a gift. Fix my heart, mend the holes in the rips. Invisible but feels like I crushed on my ribs and I don't want to live at times. There's a choice that presents itself to you like Christmas. Bottle of pills, go out with friends. Razor blades and say a prayer and I'm in. It's like the angel and demon sitting on my shoulder. When I lean towards one, the other gets closer. So the lines are eroded and it's hard to determine which side I've chosen. Avalanche of glass shards cut till I'm frozen and stuck in the rut cause I'm snowed in.
I just go hard and over here like this. Yo, this right here the first time, you know. Oh man, you coming back next week, right?
I'm leaving. I'm out.
You out? That's cool though, man. Keep going. This one, man.
Follow the Cypher on Facebook.